Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. First thing, you want to head over to Google and search for MSI Afterburner and then click on the first link that comes up, and we're going to download the final version. And once it downloads, you just want to head up, double click on this one, and then we're going to wait for it to load up. And then we don't want Norton 360, we just want the MSI Afterburner. So we're just going to click on install for that one and then click on yes. English is our language. Next. I accept the terms. Next. And then next. We're just going to do all of that and we're going to wait for it to be extracted and installed. Once this has loaded, what we need to do is we need to go to settings, and over here we need to click on monitoring. You're going to untick everything else except for CPU temperature right over here. Make sure everything else is unticked, and once you've done this, you're going to click on this and you're going to click on show in on-screen display. If you want as a text or graph, it's up to you, and then the color, everything else, you're going to hit on apply and then click on OK. And now if I click on the monitor thing, as you can see over here, it shows 51 degree, which is my CPU temperature. And the way you can see it in game is just heading over to any game. As you can see on Geometry Dash at the top left, you see my CPU temperature is 50. And if I play it right over here, as you can see, I'm trying to do some attempts to get my CPU temperature high over here. Of course, Geometry Dash isn't going to do much of a difference right here. So let's see. As you can see, it's still 50 degree, which means that my CPU temperature is still the same. And over here now you see it's 51 degree, which means that just now the temperature has been increased, and this is how you can monitor it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.